Good morning. I'm Denise Plant, and we start the show by kicking up our heels and trying on shoes. One of my favorite activities. I'm not kidding. But not just any shoes. We're talking about Crocs. Crocs are ready to walk with spring and summer fashions at an affordable price. There are shoes for the entire family, offering a fabulous array of flats, active, casual, and even wedge styles, which are so cute. I'm wearing them right now. Also this morning, how you can jump in feet first to share your Crocs, love, and enjoy discount on your next pair of Crocs. I'll have that code in just moments. Here she is, Katie Michael, Vice President of Global Communications at Crocs. She joins us this morning with the color, the comfort, and the coolness, and it's nice to see you.
Nice having me. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
I cannot believe how much Crocs have changed, and it's so cool because it was all founded in Boulder.
Boulder, Colorado, 12 years ago.
Wow, share the story. Give me the background.
Yeah, so it was some friends on a boating trip, and they wanted to create the perfect boating shoe, and 12 years later, we sell 56 million pairs of shoes a year in 90 countries.
2014 has been an amazing year for Crocs.
It has been a great year for Crocs. So people want comfort, color, and fun, and that's our whole brand heritage. So, yeah, it goes kind of hand in hand.
Speaking of comfort and fun, here, I'm just going to walk out here and probably surprise the director a little bit. But I was like shocked when I walked in and I saw these cute little wedges. I was like, these are Crocs? I have to put them on.
Yes,
they are
very
so
lightweight.
Comfortable.
Definitely.
I love them. Okay, so we were just talking moments ago about your 2014.
Yes.
And how amazing it was. Share the details. Go into more details about that.
Yeah, so we've had a great year so far. We just kicked off our first global advertising campaign in a couple of years, so we're back on TV, and we're really excited about that. It's all dedicated to Find Your Fun. So if you go on social media, use hashtag Find Your Fun, and you can find other ways that people are finding their fun in Denver and all around the world.
Oh, good. I'm going to have to tweet out a picture of my Crocs.
Hashtag
Find Your Fun.
Hashtag Find Your Fun.
All right, let's go shopping. I love to do it. Let's talk about the styles. You've kind of branched out in all different directions.
We have. So people love and know the iconic clog. We still sell over 26 million pair of the clog each year, but this right here is called the Freesail, and it's our updated version on the clog. It's a little bit more narrow and trim for more of a feminine look, and we remove the back strap. So this is really popular. All of these are kind of under the flats category, which is really popular for spring summer 14.
I love it. Easy enough to throw them, put them on, go to the pool, go to the beach, wherever you have to go.
Yes, and if you work in a casual work environment, you can wear them from work to weekend, which we love. So this style is kind of our color block. So we have pops of color. You still have the comfort. You have a little bit of a heel in the back, just to give you a little bit of a lift, some elevation. These are one of my favorite this summer. So this is the Rio. It has the more pointy feminine toe. It kind of has a Brazilian feel to it. We have the pop of color in the footbed. These come in pinks and turquoise and blacks, you know, if you just want to wear it to work.
Super cute.
Definitely.
Now, when I walked in, it was like, the clouds parted, angels, spotlight on this. This is my new love right here for Crocs.
It's one of the best shoes I think ever made. So it's just a couple of ounces. It's a great wedge. It has a unique clasp, so you don't have to worry about struggling with that buckle when you're putting them on, especially for the mom on the go. You want something easy, but you don't want to sacrifice your style for comfort. So this is kind of our answer.
And that's, again, what I'm wearing right now. They come in all different styles and colors. And we were talking earlier, gosh, if I went back to Disneyland with my kids, I could still have my heel and be comfortable.
Elongate the leg, feel really comfortable, and be comfortable. Exactly. And we didn't forget the men. So active casual is something that's really important to us right now and important to our consumer. What's great about this is the Santa Cruz Luxe 2. So imagine this, 2 layers of Croslite, which is that really comfortable Crocs material with memory foam on top. So this is like walking on butter, and it has this nice, really tailored canvas look to it. So you can wear these, you know, to the office, casual Friday, all the way through the farmer's market.
This is very handsome too, and I can see my teenager wanting to wear these as well, not just for men, older men. Okay, very cute. I love these.
And what's awesome about those right here, these are our stretch sole. So it's actually held together by bungee cord technology. So it truly moves with your foot. And you can fold it up into a circle if, you know, we picked it up right now. It's really one of our most comfortable pair of shoes we've ever made.
And then, Katie, quickly, we have to go through children's just so, because I want to tell them about the great deal you have for our viewers today.
So our last 2 pair of kids shoes on the table, these are awesome. I have a 6-year-old daughter. She wants to be independent more than anything. These are easy on, easy off. You know, you can just wash them off if they get them dirty. And then finally, the iconic clog with Mickey Mouse cutouts. I mean, what child does not love Mickey Mouse?
Absolutely. Hey, this is a great style, great selection and brand, and you have a great deal for our viewers at Colorado & Company. They have to use a code to order online.
Yes, so if you go to Crocs.com and use the code COCO20, you can get 20% off now through June 11th.
Okay, so make sure they log on to the website, crocs.com, use COCO20,
exactly.
COCO20, and you have until when?
June 11th, so it's 2 weeks.
Okay, so let me go over here again. I want to show the different styles that I tried on earlier. Now, these, again, are similar to the ones that I'm wearing right now, just a different color. Absolutely love them, and what I liked about this, quickly to show you, too, you think, oh my gosh, you're going to have to take time to buckle. No, they're just slip-on ones. You just simply go like that and then back, and you're ready to go, Mom. Love them. And these would be perfect for the pool. So I'm going to try those on a little bit later. But let's let the professionals do it. We have models. So our first model is Janie. She's coming out. Tell me what she's wearing, Katie.
Yes, Janie is wearing the Rio Flat. It's fun. It's colorful. It looks great with skirts like Janie has it on. But you can also pair that with a pair of shorts. That's really going to take you work to weekend. It's a great shoe. We have a number of fun electric colors. We also have some more neutral tones if that's what you're looking for. It's a great shoe. Wonderful price point, under $50. And the pop of color in the footbed.
And again, if you order online, thank you so much, Janie. If you order online, mention COCO20. COCO20. Come on out, Taylor. Boy, she definitely looks cute and summery in these, and they're comfortable, plus they're flashy.
Definitely. So this is our updo on kind of that throwback to the jelly. So it's in our Adrena Flat. You have a great, burst of color for the summer and spring. These are very, very comfortable. You can wear these, from the amusement park to the pool to just running errands.
Hey, I grew up in the jelly world. Yes. I love those. Thank you so much, Janie, our Taylor. And let's get Andrew out here. And he's wearing the ones that I really find that I think are attractive for men.
That's our Beachline canvas lace up. So this is just a great kind of uptake on the boating shoe. So it has some really nice features on it. It's canvas, very comfortable. If you get it wet, it's not a big deal. Great drainage with the whole detailing in the back. Just a wonderful shoe for summer.
Sharp looking. All right, thank you, Andrew. And then the one, the only Jack Rocket with the footlights.
Jack is wearing our take on the Star Wars
Stomp
clog.
again.
So with Star Wars being all the rage, Jack is wearing our Star Wars shoe that has light up lightsabers. So what child does not want shoes that light up, and especially when they're a lightsaber?
Awesome. Did we get it? One more time. Let's go to the side. Turn to this side over here. And on the count of 3, we're going to jump. 1, 2, 3. And look at that light. Sweet.
Thank you so much, Jack.
Thank you, buddy. What about cost, Katie? Are they expensive?
No, every shoe that you see up here and on all the models, all under $75. So really, a good pair of shoes that's going to last a long time, and it doesn't break the bank.
Okay, and encourage our viewers again. Find their fun. How are we supposed to do that?
Well, you can go on social media and hashtag find your fun, or, get a great deal. Go on Crocs.com and use COCO20 and get 20% off.
I'm going to do it today. I'm going to show off my new Crocs at Denise Plant. Hashtag find your fun. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you on. Again, Crocs is the place to go. Don't forget COCO20. That's where you need to go when you shop online. Do it today. Shop online and go to crocs.com, and you can use COCO20. That's the code. If you use that code online, you'll receive 20% off any one pair of Crocs. This code is good until June 11th. You can shop around for classic Crocs, wedge styles, loafers, even spunky flats. Crocs paid for this segment, but don't worry, my friends, we're going to have more modeling to do at the end of the show. Crocs will be back with more fun fashion. Hi there, we're back with Katie Michaels. She's the Vice President of Global Communications at Crocs. She has all the shoe fashions that offer color, comfort, and coolness, and it's nice to see you.
Thank you so much.
You have to go through what you brought here today because it's so different. When you think of Crocs, you think of the first design of Crocs.
Definitely, the iconic clog, but now we have more than 200 styles of shoes, so something for everybody in the family. So yeah, right here, this is an update on our classic clog. So it's a little bit more narrow and sleek for that that feminine look. And we also remove the back strap. So they're really easy on, easy off. Great for gardening or by the pool, whatever your outside activity is this summer.
Very nice. And then we move to what I'm wearing, and I'll walk around and show you the color in a second. But these wedge, I love these shoes. They're so fashionable, but they're also so light and so comfortable.
So lightweight, easy on, easy off, buckle. They are great for, you know, anyone on the go, the woman on the go. You can wear these to work. You can wear them all weekend, wear them to the farmer's market, Boulder Creek Fest last weekend.
And girl, everybody knows, I'm going to walk around, everybody knows that I love my heels.
Yes.
I mean, it's hard to find me in flats, but these feel like they're flats. They're so comfortable. I could wear them with jeans. I could wear them with a skirt. It doesn't actually match this dress I'm wearing today, but they're so comfortable. I was like, can I just do the whole show in these shoes?
And we were nautical stripe too.
I love them. And we were talking about Disneyland or going to a theme park in the summer. How great is it that you can wear these the entire time, still be fashionable and be comfortable?
Yes, you don't have to sacrifice comfort just to be stylish. So no, they're perfect for, you know, that woman on the go. Which leads us to the next trend, which is flats. Flats are all over the runway right now. There was just that can debacle about not being able to wear flats on the runway. So this is our Rio flat. It's very, very feminine, pointy toe, not really what you think about when you think about, you know, Crocs, but very lightweight, under $50. Great color. You know, these are more of the green color. We have pinks, we have blues.
What size are these? Because I might just have to put these on. You're 8? I'm about a 7, 8. I'm going to try those on and keep talking, Katie.
Perfect. And then color blocking, very, very popular in clothing, but also in shoes. So these super fun colors. You have the pinks and purples. You have the blue, you know, turquoise and navy. These are great. They have just about a ½ inch heel. So it gives you a little bit of elevation, but very easy to walk in, especially for people. Yes.
These are so comfortable. Let me walk around. I have one on and one off, but they are so comfortable. Why do you think Crocs have become so, like, with every age group, people love Crocs?
Yeah, I think that people are, you know, really excited about just kind of the fun of being a little bit different. And that's really what Crocs is about. It's about fun. It's about color. It's about comfort. And people aren't willing to, you know, wear uncomfortable shoes anymore, which is really to our benefit.
Listen, there has been, I've been doing this, hosting this show for 10 years. And what is the rule? The rule is, Moss, come here. Don't show Denise's feet. Denise has ugly feet. So if I'm willing to walk around and show off my veiny ankles and feet, you know I'm a fan of Crocs.
I love it.
Moss, speaking of Moss, can you run in here really quick? I just want to show, we were talking about fans of Crocs.
Exactly.
He has on, you have to go out front and show it. These are the traditional.
He is a true fan. Yeah. The lavender original clog.
Man, and he wears those to garden in, right? And he wears them to Coco.
And to work, yeah.
In the summertime, I live in my Crocs.
Do you really?
Yeah, in the garden, that's the only thing I wear.
Yeah, they're so comfortable. And speaking of Coco, you have a great code that they can shop online right now.
We do. So if you go to crocs.com and type in Coco20, you get 20% off for the next 2 weeks, which takes you through about June 11th. So just go to crocs.com, put everything you want in your basket, and get that 20% off with Coco20.
Okay, and the website is so easy to shop, delivered free to our house. I mean, it's so friendly. User-friendly.
Definitely, and if it doesn't fit, mail them back. But we don't do half sizes, and that's actually a great benefit. So, you know, you're a 7.5, so you can actually do sometimes the 7 and sometimes the 8.
Yep.
Just depending on, you know, if you like yours a little bit more roomy.
Okay, so I love shoes and I love Twitter. Those are the two things.
Yes.
I mean, I love my family too, okay?
And my children.
But if I can get on Twitter and hashtag anything, I could do Crocs now. Find my fun.
Find your fun.
Find your
Crocs
fun.
Is all about finding your fun. So this summer we have a new ad campaign, global. We're on TV in, you know, the United States and Japan. We're doing big things in 6 of our key markets. So find your fun, hashtag find your fun. If you use that on Twitter or social media, you can, you know, search what other people who love Crocs are doing this summer to find their fun.
And you also help, like you mentioned, people all over the world, including people in Nepal.
Yes, so we just made a donation. We're continuing to to donate shoes to that area. We always donate, really we focus on 3 pillars. So it's comfort, hope, and, bringing comfort, hope, and fun to, children, and then also to natural disaster areas. When Japan had, their natural disaster, we were there. We've donated millions of shoes over the past 12 years.
That's good. And you're a Colorado-based business.
Brand.
Love
yes,
it.
Exactly.
Let's move on to the men and kids shoes.
Yes, so we have some great men's shoes. These are an updated version. This is our Santa Cruz Luxe. So it's our 2 layers of Croslite, which is what you'd find in all of our shoes, but you think of the clog, with memory foam on top. And it's just a really nice tailored canvas shoe, and it's probably the most comfortable men's shoe we've ever made.
Very nice. They're sharp looking. I love them.
And then this is our stretch sole. It's actually held together. Yes, you can bend it in half. It's held together by bungee cord technology, so it truly moves with your foot.
Look at that. That would be great to pack.
It is so comfortable, easy to pack, great for vacation. Has that nice lace detailing, some leather and canvas mix with the pop of color contrast with the red. And then we have our boat shoe. So this is part of the Beachline collection. It's a nice canvas shoe, but it has the aeration on the sides. So it's just a really nice take on an updated boat shoe.
And then you have the little kid shoes.
The kid shoes. So kids love putting on their own shoes. Even if you're in a hurry, they want to put their own shoe on. So this is a great shoe. It's easy to get on. It's easy to get off. They can do it by themselves. I do it. It is my 2-year-old's favorite, term in the whole world.
You know what? I thank you for being on the show. You brought so much fun and fashion. And just really quick, I know they're telling me to wrap, but Moss, don't wear socks with Crocs. He's wearing socks with Crocs.
He's owning it, though. I like it.
Shop online, crocs.com, and use the promo code COCO20. That's COCO20. And if you use that code online, you'll receive 20% off any 1 pair of Crocs. This code is good until June 11th. You can shop around for classic Crocs, wedge styles, loafers, even spunky flats.